Intro. Electric vehicles are no longer just a trend, they are the future of transportation. The rapid advancement of electric technology is reshaping the automotive industry, offering sustainability, performance, and innovation like never before. From luxury sedans to high-performance sports cars, the electric revolution is changing how we drive and how we think about cars. In this video, we'll dive deep into the exciting world of electric vehicles, their impact on the environment, and how new innovations in battery and motor technology are transforming the future of driving. What makes electric cars different from traditional vehicles? Electric cars have several key advantages over traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, making them a more eco-friendly and efficient choice for modern drivers. Zero emissions. Unlike gasoline-powered cars, electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, making them an environmentally friendly option. They help reduce air pollution and contribute to the fight against climate change. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are far more energy efficient than internal combustion engines. In fact, electric cars convert up to 90% of the energy from the battery into motion, compared to just 20 to 30% for gasoline engines. Quiet and smooth driving. Without the noise and vibrations of a traditional engine, electric vehicles offer a quiet, smooth, and refined driving experience. The immediate torque provided by electric motors also delivers a powerful and responsive acceleration. Low maintenance. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts compared to traditional cars, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. They don't require oil changes, and their brake systems last longer due to regenerative braking. Electric cars offer zero emissions, energy efficiency, and a smooth driving experience that traditional vehicles simply cannot match. Popular electric vehicle models. Several automakers are leading the charge in the electric vehicle market, offering a range of models that cater to different consumer needs. Here are some of the most popular EV models currently available. Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 is one of the most popular electric sedans, offering impressive range, performance, and advanced technology. With autopilot and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, it combines everyday usability with thrilling performance. Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf is one of the most affordable electric cars on the market. It offers a range of up to 226 miles on a single charge, making it a great option for city driving and short trips. The Leaf is known for its practicality and value, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Chevrolet Bolt EV offers a range of over 259 miles, and is a practical, affordable option for those looking to make the switch to an electric vehicle. It's a compact car that doesn't compromise on interior space and is perfect for urban environments. Lucid Air. The Lucid Air is a luxury electric sedan that offers a range of up to 520 miles on a single charge. It combines sleek design, high-end features, and advanced technology like Level 3 autonomous driving. Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Mustang Mach-E is an electric SUV that blends performance with utility. It offers impressive acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, and a range of up to 305 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for families looking for an eco-friendly option. With models like the Tesla Model 3, Nissan Leaf, Chevrolet Bolt, Lucid Air, and Ford Mustang Mach-E, electric vehicles are becoming accessible to a wide range of drivers. Battery technology. The performance of electric cars is primarily determined by their battery technology. Here are the key factors that make electric vehicle batteries unique. Lithium-ion batteries. Most electric vehicles use lithium-ion batteries, which offer high energy density, long lifespan, and fast charging times. These batteries are currently the standard for EVs, providing the best balance of range and efficiency. Range. The range of an electric car, the distance it can travel on a single charge, is one of the most important factors for consumers. Today, many electric cars offer ranges of over 250 miles, with some, like the Lucid Air, offering over 500 miles per charge. Charging time. While traditional gasoline cars take just minutes to refuel, electric cars require charging. However, advancements in fast charging technology are reducing the amount of time needed to recharge. Some chargers can provide up to 80% charge in 30 minutes or less, and supercharging stations allow drivers to recharge their vehicles quickly on long trips. Solid-state batteries. Solid-state batteries are the next big thing in EV technology. These batteries promise greater energy density, faster charging times, and increased safety compared to current lithium-ion batteries. Many manufacturers are investing in solid-state technology, hoping to revolutionize the EV market in the coming years. Battery technology is the key to unlocking the full potential of electric vehicles, with innovations in charging speed, range, and solid-state batteries driving the future of EVs. The environmental benefits of electric cars. One of the main reasons electric vehicles are gaining popularity is their positive impact on the environment. Here's how EVs contribute to a cleaner, greener world. Zero emissions. Electric cars produce no tailpipe emissions, which helps reduce air pollution and improve public health. This is particularly important in urban areas, where air quality is a major concern. Reduction in carbon footprint. When charged with electricity from renewable sources, EVs have a significantly lower carbon footprint than gasoline-powered cars. Even when charged from the grid, EVs still produce fewer emissions overall, especially as energy grids become greener. Sustainability. Many electric vehicle manufacturers are focusing on sustainable practices in their production processes, from using recycled materials to reducing water usage in manufacturing plants. This contributes to the overall sustainability of electric vehicles, both in terms of their operation and their production. Battery recycling. As the number of electric vehicles grows, so does the need for battery recycling. Manufacturers are working to develop sustainable ways to recycle lithium-ion batteries, ensuring that the environmental impact of used batteries is minimized. Electric cars contribute to a cleaner environment by producing zero emissions, reducing carbon footprints, and supporting sustainable manufacturing practices. Challenges. Despite the many benefits, electric vehicles still face several challenges that need to be addressed. Charging infrastructure. Although the number of charging stations is growing, it's still not as widespread as traditional gas stations. More investment in fast charging networks and home charging solutions is needed to make EVs more convenient for all consumers. Range anxiety. While the range of electric vehicles is improving, many drivers still worry about running out of battery power before reaching a charging station. Advancements in battery technology and the expansion of charging networks will help ease these concerns. Upfront cost. Electric vehicles generally have a higher upfront cost than their gasoline counterparts, though this is often offset by lower operating and maintenance costs over time. As battery technology improves and production scales up, the cost of EVs is expected to decrease. Battery life. While the lifespan of electric vehicle batteries has improved, it's still a concern for some consumers. Manufacturers are working on ways to extend battery life and offer longer warranties for EV batteries. Challenges like charging infrastructure, range anxiety, and upfront costs still need to be addressed to make electric vehicles more accessible to a wider audience. The future of electric cars. The future of electric cars is incredibly exciting, with numerous innovations on the horizon. Autonomous driving. Many electric vehicle manufacturers, including Tesla and Waymo, are working on autonomous driving technology, which will allow cars to drive themselves with minimal human intervention. This technology will revolutionize the driving experience, offering greater convenience and safety, longer ranges and faster charging. The future of electric vehicles will include longer ranges and faster charging times, making EVs even more practical for everyday use and long-distance travel. Affordable EVs. As technology improves and production scales up, the cost of electric vehicles will continue to drop, making them more affordable for consumers across all income levels. Global adoption. With the growing focus on sustainability and government incentives to promote electric car adoption, EVs will become the primary mode of transportation for millions of people worldwide. Settings. Add any subtitle. Use appropriate media. Use a male clear American voice for speaker 1.